Viniborn training. We'd like to introduce our 1K Universal Aerosol Spray, a very convenient product that sticks to a multitude of different surfaces. We have a few substrates here. First of all, aluminium. So normally you would use an etch primer first and then you would paint over that. So in this case you can cut out the etch. All you need to do is give it a light sand with 240 grit, clean it, and then you can spray it directly. Next up, UPVC. So very popular ABS and that type of plastic. So again, all you need to do is give it a clean, give it a light abrade with a Scotch pad, and then you can directly paint it. Alarm sensors, CCT camera, which is steel-bodied, perspex, clear perspex. Obviously you can paint the back of it. And then a very popular one will be mild steel, or again alloys or aluminium, where you have a powder coated surface. Again, all you need to do is give it a light abrade, lightly sand it, degrease it, and then you can directly spray it.
If you have any further questions, please contact an advisor at viniborn.com. Alternatively, email sales@viniborn.com.